First things first, knit across your row until you have 2 stitches remaining on your needle. Ensure your working yarn is at the back of your work, ready to continue knitting. To cast off, knit the first 2 stitches on your needle as you normally would. Now, insert the left needle into the first stitch you knit on the right needle. Lift this stitch over the second stitch and off the right needle, leaving 1 stitch remaining on the right needle. Knit 1 more stitch, then repeat the process of lifting the first stitch over the second stitch and off the needle. Continue this process until you have only 1 stitch left on your right needle. Finally, cut the working yarn, leaving a tail of a few inches. Thread the tail through the last stitch, pull tight to secure, and weave in the end to finish off. And there you have it, casting off and knitting demystified. With a little practice and patience, you'll soon be finishing your knitting projects with confidence and flair. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.